Hello, my name is Erin, and I'm a writer. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is another very topic video, where hopefully I get some actual work done. I'm going to keep talking like this and very quietly, because I have a migraine, but I still want to film this today. I'm here to introduce my 3 projects that I've been working on. Number 1, it's a fantasy novel I've been working on for the past few years. It's like a fantasy sci-fi. It's about the end of the world and 7 different types of magicals that of magic that implement different magical like species, but like not completely. And they're trying to figure out how to stop the end of the world. Well, sort of. Some of them. Each have their own little motives. So I realized that regarding this novel outline that there's a whole lot of setup it feels central to the story. However, when trying to write a chapter by chapter outline, feels like way too much. Like, I think the big problem I'm trying to have is trying to include each of the characters' point of views on the same topic. But like, I can't do that unless I'm doing a third person author, which really yeah, you could go that route. But instead, I think I'm just going to focus on maybe 1 or 2 point of views. And yeah. I think we're now going to do 2 point of views, and I'll see how that, goes. If I don't like it, I'll go back to 1. I didn't really like doing 1 when I was doing 1, so, I don't know. The second project is a memoir, so it's just going to be something, really personal to me. It's going to be, my personal story about a certain time period of my life in there. I'll give more details about that later. But it's kind of it's more like a personal project for me to help me get closure on a certain situation that I went through. And I'm going to write that during NaNo too, so that I have that. I'm also going to be trying to journal every single day, but that's not really a writing, it is a writing project, but it's not one of the NaNo project. I'm actually counting words and stuff. That's just how I feel that day and stuff like that. The third project is a book of poems. I'm going to be writing a poem a day for GlopoRima, which is a global poetry writing month, which is kind of similar to NaNoWriMo with trying to write words each day, but you're writing a poem each day. I got to chapter 16 of my outline initially, before I realized that it just doesn't work. So that's something I need to fix a lot of. I'm going to try to type this outline up, but with the new version of it, so that I don't have to handwrite this outline again. But I'm going to try to save some room in this journal for days I don't want to type. I just want to write scene by hand. So hopefully that works out. I don't really know what I'm doing. That's how this book makes me feel. I know I need to write it. I know I want to write it. I don't really know how. I don't know how. I don't know. We'll see how that outline goes. Thank you all so much for writing alongside me today and for joining me, and I will see you all next time. Bye.